So in this introductory long jump session, we're going to teach our students the fundamentals of jumping through using the long jump takeoff. So we're going to start our session with a few warm-up drills where we're going to teach the postures and the positions we want to see on their approach. Then we're going to teach them the long jump takeoff through focusing on the penultimate step, the driving knee at takeoff, and the rhythm of the jump. So we're going to transfer all this to the sand and teach our students to run in and take off, perform a basic long jump technique. So the first of our warm-up exercises is going to be the straight leg scissor. We're going to use this to set this nice tall running posture where our head, shoulders, hips, knees and ankle all in line. It's going to create the stiffness we need to bounce us down the track, and it's going to create this nice tall position and a long lever ready for the takeoff. Now that we have this nice tall running posture, we're going to work on creating a high knee position and creating big forces into the ground that's going to give us the speed we need on the runway. And for this, we're going to use the A-skip drill. So as we come into the takeoff, we're going to want to set up a nice big lever, which is going to help us convert the speed on the runway into the jump. And we're going to want to have a big driving knee that's going to generate the height we need at takeoff. So to learn this, we're going to use the basic skip, where we're going to learn to pull the takeoff leg and to time up the driving knee. Now, in order to convert all our speed from the runway into the jump, we need to have a strong takeoff and we need to have a 1-2 rhythm. Now, the best way to learn this is through learning the Gallop exercise, where using a flat foot penultimate creates a strong base for us to set up a long lever and a flat foot takeoff, and adding in the 1-2 rhythm will keep the speed we need going through the jump. So now we have a basic takeoff technique. What we need to do now is turn it into a long jump. So we're going to add some speed and we're going to hold this position and try and cover some distance in our one stride jump. So now we're ready to transfer our new skills into the sand pit. The first thing we're going to do is to teach them the Telemark jump, which is going to teach them to hold this takeoff position and hold this upright posture for as long as they can into the sand pit. So we're going to have them run in from a 6 or 8 stride approach, hit the rhythm, hit the takeoff, and hold their takeoff position until they land in the sand. So now we're ready to put the whole thing together and complete our jump. So we're going to ask our students to come in from their 6 or 8 stride approach. They're going to hit the takeoff rhythm, hit the driving knee position, and now as they reach the peak of their jump, they're going to land with 2 feet together in the sand. Now a chance for them to push the distance. Maybe we can measure some jumps to see what they're capable of doing, and of course, have fun.